Ever wondered how the world's biggest financial market started its journey? Picture a bustling hive of activity, a place where fortunes are made and sometimes lost, where every day is a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. We're talking about financial markets, of course, an intricate tapestry woven through centuries of economic evolution, but like all great stories, this one also has a beginning, a single moment that set the stage for everything that followed. Our tale takes us back to the late 18th century, a time of revolution and change, when 24 brokers and merchants gathered under a buttonwood tree in New York. Their meeting resulted in the 1792 Buttonwood Agreement, a humble but powerful accord that would become the cornerstone of American finance. Today we travel back in time to the birthplace of American finance under a buttonwood tree. The year was 1792, a time of economic uncertainty and financial chaos. Just imagine, the fledgling United States was just beginning to find its footing after gaining independence from Britain. Its economy, however, was still an unpredictable beast, prone to wild swings and crashes. The situation reached a head in what we now refer to as the financial crisis of 1792. A speculative bubble had led to a catastrophic market crash, and confidence in the financial system was at an all-time low. Enter the Buttonwood Agreement. Now let's paint a picture. Imagine 24 stockbrokers, huddled under the canopy of a buttonwood tree on Wall Street in New York. They were men of vision, seeing the need for a more structured, trustworthy system of trading. The open-air chaos of the market was not sustainable, and they knew it. So, what did they do? They decided to take matters into their own hands. They signed an agreement, a pact, which we now know as the Buttonwood Agreement. It was named after the very tree under which they convened. This agreement was simple, yet powerful. It stated that these brokers would only deal with each other, effectively eliminating auctioneers. This move brought a semblance of order and trust to a market that desperately needed it. Their decision was a game-changer. It helped in creating a trust-based system of trading, a system where rules were agreed upon and followed, where fair trading practices were the norm, not the exception. This was a significant shift from the chaotic, speculative trading practices that had led to the financial crisis of 1792. What these 24 brokers did was not just about creating a better system for themselves, it was about setting up a structure that would help the United States economy grow and prosper. A structure that would give people confidence to invest in the future. And thus, under a humble buttonwood tree, the foundation of the New York Stock Exchange was laid. These brokers may not have known it then, but their agreement would go on to shape the world's financial markets for centuries to come. The Buttonwood Agreement might seem like a simple pact, but its implications were far-reaching. This modest agreement, signed beneath the shade of a buttonwood tree, was the seed that grew into the towering financial juggernaut we know today as the New York Stock Exchange. The agreement's impact on the American financial system was profound, as it established a centralized marketplace for securities. This marketplace brought order to a chaotic system, providing a trusted platform for investors to trade securities without fear of manipulation or fraud. Before the Buttonwood Agreement, securities trading was a disorganized free-for-all, with no centralized location or standard rules. The agreement changed all that, providing a stable, regulated environment that fostered trust and growth. The significance of this agreement is still felt today, as the principles it established continue to underpin the operation of modern stock exchanges around the world. The Buttonwood Agreement was more than just a pact, it was the cornerstone of modern finance. So, why does the Buttonwood Agreement matter to us today? Well, let's dive into that. This historic pact is a testament to the power of trust and transparency in financial transactions, two factors that remain paramount in our modern financial landscape. The Buttonwood Agreement was born out of a chaotic financial environment, yet it laid the groundwork for the largest securities exchange in the world, the New York Stock Exchange. The lessons we can draw from it are profound. It shows us that even amidst uncertainty and disorder, innovation and cooperation can emerge to create a system that fosters growth and prosperity. It's a reminder that when individuals work together with a shared vision, they can shape the course of financial history. The Buttonwood Agreement teaches us that even in the face of adversity, innovation and cooperation can pave the way for progress. Subscribe for more financial history lessons.